Ever spent an hour at the bank just to open an account? Yeah, me neither, at least not anymore. Especially not when it comes to business accounts. Time is money, and the traditional banking system can feel like it's stuck in slow motion. But what if you could ditch the lines, the paperwork, and the whole outdated process? What if opening a business account was as easy as ordering takeout? Well, friends, buckle up, because that's exactly what we're talking about today, the future of business banking, and how to open a Tide business account in record time. For any entrepreneur out there, you know the struggle. You've got a million things on your plate, a business to build, dreams to chase, and the last thing you want to deal with is a banking system that feels like it's designed to slow you down. Opening a business account shouldn't be a hurdle. It should be the foundation that helps you launch and grow. So, how long does it actually take to open a Tide business account? Here's the crazy part, it can be done in under 10 minutes. No, seriously. We're not kidding. Now, for some of you skeptics out there, and hey, we get it, that might sound too good to be true. So, let's break it down. Here's the deal, Tide is a new kind of business bank, built entirely online and designed with the modern entrepreneur in mind. They understand that your time is valuable, and they've streamlined the entire account opening process. All you need is a few minutes, your phone, and a basic set of documents. We're talking things like your ID, proof of address, and maybe some info about your business. The actual application process is super straightforward. You don't need appointments, there are no endless forms to fill out, and you can forget about waiting in line. Tide uses some pretty cool technology to verify your information quickly and securely. Think selfies, ID scans, and a verification process that feels more like magic than a bureaucratic nightmare. Now, it's important to note that while a significant portion of applications, over half in fact, are approved and set up in under 10 minutes, there can be some cases where things might take a little longer. For instance, if your business structure is a bit more complex, or if there's something missing from your application, Tide's team might need some additional information from you. But even in those cases, you can expect a much faster turnaround compared to traditional banks. We're talking hours, not days, and certainly not weeks. The bottom line is this, opening a Tide business account is designed to be fast, easy, and hassle-free. It's about empowering you to get on with what you do best, running your business. So, if you're tired of the old way of banking, and you're ready to experience the future, then Tide might just be the perfect fit for you. With a Tide account, you get not only a speedy setup, but also a suite of features designed to help your business thrive. We're talking fee-free banking, integrations with popular business tools, spending insights, and a whole lot more. But hey, that's a topic for another video. For now, the point is this, don't waste another minute stuck in the slow lane of traditional banking. Take control, free up your time, and unlock the power of a business account built for the modern world. Head over to Tide's website today and see for yourself how easy it is to get started. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hustling.